Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a burst of photos on your iPhone. So let's get started now. This is an easy and simple feature that's available on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and open up the camera app. And once you open up the camera app, in order to take a burst of photos, all you need to do is press and hold this white button, and then we're going to move it to the left side here. Now if you move it to the right side, it's going to record a video. So when you press, you're going to just swipe it until you're satisfied with the amount of burst photos that you have taken. So let's use this as an example here. So I have a plant here, right? And I'm going to do a burst of photos. So I take my finger here and press and hold and then move it, and as you can see here, the burst has begun and I have taken close to 40 photos. Again, all you do is simply just press and hold and move it to the left until you're satisfied and let go once you're done. And then after that, we can go into our Photos app here, and then once in the Photos app, under the recent album, we'll see the photos that we have taken. So let's go ahead and click one, and as you can see here, there are 39 photos I took in this burst. And now we can go ahead and select one that we want. Maybe we want to look at it, see which one we like. You can scroll through, and if you like a specific one, you can select it and then hit done. And then you can either keep that one favorite one out of the burst, or you can keep all of it. So if I want to keep one, it will remove the other one or no longer indicate that I have a burst of photos, just like that. So that's how you take burst of photos on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.